nothing to vlog. Let me log into my laptop. Alright, my name is right there, so I don't really want to, yeah, so good morning. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button to do the day in my life vlog. I'm not going anywhere for the past couple of days, and I don't know what to sit down and vlog at home, so let's just make sure it's connected to the internet. Okay, it is good. What I'm gonna do today, I'm going to send out some more application. Yes, we're in the mid of August, and I haven't got a fully confirmed job that I should be looking forward to for September coming, so I'm about to do that right now. I got a few other new places. I'm just gonna see what's up. Like, there are two or three schools, I don't remember. I'm happy in the back of my head because they responded and so forth, but still nothing to say, okay, you got the job, or no, what should be done in order to secure you. So I'm gonna do that, and then when I do that, I might do a bit of tidying up. I want to do a sit down video. Really not a fan of that these days because my vlogs get more views, but I'm still gonna do it because I don't have anything to do, so I'm literally just gonna do that and then have a bit of cleaning, and then I might go on the road to visit my friends. So let's get this done, then I return. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't.
Feel
the room cleaning, I have to plug in my air freshener to make sure inside here smell good. You understand me? Yeah. I'll just cover it back with the curtain. And yeah. Wig because I might do a video, I might not, but I'm gonna look for one of my friend, and I don't want to go with my hair looking terrible. It look really bad right now, like and me like have other wigs that I can draw on, but this is the newest wig that I made. This is the one I wore to hotel, and I did wet up, so I got flatten iron it and make it look better and fling it on. Might do a video, might not. People, I'm not going nowhere. I want to go somewhere, but right now, I'm not going nowhere. Period. No way. But I'm gonna look for my friend. I just walk from down my yard. It's like less than 5 minutes walk to our house, but it was slow me ago. About 5 minutes. So, yeah, but I want to go somewhere. When I got watching, but it's something. I go sit down there, Starbucks or something. This is the reason why I want a car, man. I never say I want a car, man. I want a car. Yeah. So, rich still. But if I'm going on the road, that would be a whole different vlog, eh? Yeah, man. So, young girl. Hello. So guys, I never get to go out watch. I'm never going away. I'm not going away. But I have a look nice evening. I'm sitting and chill. So I go on back now. I go back down. I go on back. Just go relax and have a festive evening. Dirty Denise over there, so this is where today's vlog is going to end. This is how I spent my day. So this is it, and yeah, bye till another video.